they're just so cuddly and soft. Oh, you ready to be a coat? Welcome to my Cruella to Vill try-on haul. I have all my cute little Dalmatians I'm about to turn into fur coats. I have 3 wonderful Cruella costumes, my favorite outfits to wear for you today. They're just so cuddly and soft. This is my first costume. It is a half white, half black. Here, little puppies, you're going to be one of these. It is a half white, half black, and I do have my Cruella heels on, along with my pasties and my underwear, and I have my Dalmatian cuffs. Who wants a hug? Huh? You want a hug? Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Aren't they just adorable? Oh, look, this one likes the cup. But you want my stick? Let's get into my next costume. Oh, you stinky little puppies. When I wear this, they know I'm serious and I mean business, which is why I don't know they haven't turned these into coats yet. Beautiful, 2-toned black and white, drape in the back, V-split in the front, full coverage, beautiful. Which one of you is going to be my shoulder piece? Huh? Oh yes, here. Maybe these two? Aren't they just adorable? Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. Hi. Yes. Oh, you ready to be a coat? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Now I'm on the couch. Come here. Hurry. We've got to get away. Come on. Oh. Come here. We've got all but one safe. $23 on Chick Me last season. I did not get a chance to wear it, but I'm wearing it now. It has a collar, cuff, a split 2-tone shorts in the front, long in the back, and I have my patent leather heels that I got from Shein, 2-tone. Very adorable. Here, hold it. No cigarette, please. My gloves and my cuffs. And don't go anywhere. Don't forget to smash my like, bell, and subscribe for my algorithm. Don't go anywhere because the cutest one I saved for the end. Don't miss this next outfit. Here is my third Cruella de Vil outfit, my swimsuit edition. I will be going to the swim with all my puppies. One piece. 3-toned shawl. And of course I have my Dalmatian print on this side and black on this one, all the way up to the neck with a zipper. And of course the heels. hello, puppy. Aren't you just the cutest thing in the world? What are you going to do? Your turn. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who's my favorite Dalmatian? Hello. Be sure to let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. And hi, baby. Don't you just love puppies? Hello, 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 hello. And you stinky breath. Hello. Yes. Hello.